Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. When you're ready, type in DevCheck like that and download this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!